Hey everyone, welcome back to daily episodes of Y Team Hotwheels. So our first premium box set is in a complete Gulf livery. Cars in this set are a 1997 McLaren F1 GTR, a Ford Transit Supervan, a Ford GT40 and a Fleet Street. A sneak peek of a Hot Wheels 2025 Formula 1 Team Factory Seal set, releasing today at 9 AM Pacific Time, so check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups. Now let's check out the all-new upcoming Legends Tour set as a 2024 Honda Civic Type R and a Kozuku Holo. A carded pick of a 2026 mixed diecast cars as a mainlines. Our first car is a 1996 Porsche Carrera, a Coke clip, a Hotoroto, a supercharged, a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, a 1964 Impala, a Cruise Bruiser, a Volkswagen ID Bus Bomb, a Rapid Pulse, a Voltage Spike, a Toyota Prius Custom, a Passen Gasser, a Twin Dorado, a El Segundo Coupe, a Polestar TRX, a Renault S-Pace F1, a Visa Cash App Racing Bulls Formula 1 team, a LP Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe, a Ferrari 12 Cylindri, and a 2023 Nissan Z. Ignition Models X Tarmac Works presents a Nismo R34 GTR Z-Tune in a complete purple metallic color. Pre-order has been started. Releasing this month. Our second new upcoming Ignition Model X Tarmac Works presents a Toyota Supra JZA80, color of a car red, releasing this month. Get ready to turn heads with the Mitsubishi Fuso Supergrade, now sporting a classic Coca-Cola Santa Claus livery. This 1:64 scale truck brings festive flair and a collector level detail to your collection at home. Only 2,700 pieces made. Releasing at the end of this month. A LCD Models presents a Lamborghini Murcielago, color of a car, black, green and red, made from diecast, releasing between January and March 2026. A Street Weapon Models presents a Rolls-Royce Phantom 7, color of a car, Black Warrior and Peninsula Hotwheels Custom Green, made from diecast, releasing at the end of this month. So check out a sneak peek of this car. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. And also, don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.